Hello guys, in today's video we talk about to the gateway and which are the documents needed to the make to the gateway, which are necessary to make to the gateway. So guys, start the video and delay. So as I told that in today's video we talk about 2D gateway. First of all, in short, I will tell you what are 2D gateways. There are two types of gateways. One is 3D and 2D. When you shop and pay on a website, then the payment doing is through the payment gateway when you enter a 3D gateway. But if you make payment, it is successful through OTP. They are 3D gateway. If you purchasing something from a website and there is a 2D gateway installed, then when you make a payment you will not need any OTP. You will be use your card, fill in the details and the payment will be done. I hope you understand 2D and 3D gateway difference. Now let's talk which documents are needed to make 2D gateway. First of all, website is must required to attach 2D gateway and it is necessary to have your business certificate in that document. And if you are Indian, the business PAN card and GST certificate must have an international bank account. And whichever company you will be get 2D gateway, that company will be charge you some amount, not give free to the gateway, some charges taken company. If you also want to the gateway, then you can contact on our Instagram account link provided in the description. You will be also shown on the display. You can follow our Instagram account and send messages, will definitely get reply to the message. Also subscribe the channel with bell icon, because as soon as new video comes you will be get the notification. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.